Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an oxygen pump with a DC motor. First, gather your materials, including a small direct current motor, a plastic bottle, and some tubing. We will then connect these parts to create an efficient and affordable aeration system. This project is perfect for providing essential oxygen to a small fish tank or for a temporary setup. It's a fun and practical way to learn about basic electronics and fluid dynamics. To begin, let's gather all the necessary components for our oxygen pump. You'll need a small direct current motor, typically operating between 5 and 12 volts, which is easily found. Grab a clean plastic bottle, around 500 milliliters, and some flexible tubing, about 1/4 inch in diameter. Don't forget a 9-volt battery or a small power supply, along with a simple on-off switch. Basic tools like a hot glue gun, scissors, and a small drill will also be very helpful. Now, let's move on to assembling the core pump mechanism. First, carefully drill 2 small holes into the plastic bottle cap. These will be for your air inlet and outlet tubes. Next, firmly attach one end of your flexible tubing to the shaft of the direct current motor. It's crucial to ensure this connection is secure and airtight. Then, mount the motor inside the bottle cap, sealing all connections with hot glue to prevent any air leaks. This creates the chamber where air will be displaced. For the final steps, we'll handle the wiring and test our new pump. Connect the 2 terminals of your direct current motor to the 9-volt battery, incorporating the switch into one of the wires. Double-check the polarity to ensure the motor spins correctly, drawing air in. Insert the air inlet tube through one hole in the cap, extending it into the bottle, and the outlet tube through the other, leading it into your water. Flip the switch and observe the bubbles. You should see a steady stream of oxygen being pumped.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.